Hi, my name is Anya O'Connor, and I am the librarian for Medical Lab Science here at SDSU. Librarians like me can help you find and evaluate sources, track down data and statistics, and create and check citations. I can't wait to work with you. Let's start by looking at the library homepage, sdstate.edu/library. Almost all of the information you'll need is in the blue box right in the center of the page. One helpful tool is our Find a Journal search. Use this search to find out if Briggs Library has online access to a journal. However, don't use the Find a Journal search to find articles for your research. Use library databases instead. You can get to our databases by clicking on Databases A to Z. If you're not sure which database to use, the Medical Laboratory Science Research Guide can help. To get to the guide, click on Research Guides, then search for MLS. The Medical Laboratory Science Guide has a list of databases for your research, strategies to evaluate and select journals, information on researching case studies, and much more. You can also email or make an appointment with me by clicking on the Schedule Appointment button. I can meet with you in person or over Zoom if you need any help with picking the right database, finding sources, or completing your research. I am always happy to hear from you.